Hey, welcome students. We're going to take the next 5 minutes in this video to use this whole class to tell you a story about ancient Greece. So the first thing we need to do is pause this video and go click and read link number 1. Okay, so go pause and read link number 1. This is a timeline of ancient Greece. Great, welcome back. You're going to need to take a quiz on this timeline and you need to get a 70% above on this quiz. So I'll unpack some of the details for you. Okay, first, let's get started. Before this timeline takes place, there was a very interesting story. Let's get to that after we click link number 2. Click link number 2, go to mapofwar.com, and there's a couple things that I want you to notice. I want you to notice the Persian Empire. Then I want you to notice the Greek or the Macedonian Empire. There's Alexander the Great. Next, we have the Roman Empire. So first the Persians, then the Greeks, then the Romans. Great. Now that you're done watching number 2, we can click link number 3. This is a story of the invasion of Troy. So there's a great clip from the movie Troy, and then a video explanation of that. So go pause this, go watch number 3, and watch number 4. Great, welcome back. So one of the first things that happened in ancient Greece was the Olympic Games. We're going to spend some time on that. Next, we have Homer's Iliad and Odyssey. The Iliad and the Odyssey are some of the most famous stories ever told, and they were told way back then, and we're still recycling the same stories. In fact, Avengers is just the Iliad and the Odyssey told again. Great. So moving on from the Iliad and the Odyssey, we have the beginning of these wars between these city-states. We'll see that again. Then these Greek tyrants come to power. What are tyrants again? Well, a tyrant is somebody who rules very strictly. They have all of the power. The opposite of a tyrant is a democracy. The opposite of a tyrant is democracy. Tyrant, nobody gets to vote. Democracy, one person, one vote. Oligarchy, ruled by the few rich. Monarchy, king or queen. Monarchy, king or queen. Oligarchy, few rich. Tyrants are strongmen. Dictators. Democracy, one person, one vote. Great. Next, we have the draconian laws. If laws are super strict, they call them draconian laws after the lawyer named Draco. What are draconian laws? Super strict. If you steal an apple from an orchard, you're put to death. If you owe somebody money, you're in debt, you're put into slavery. Lots and lots of rules back then under those laws were very strict, and those are called draconian laws. Greek coins, found them everywhere across the ancient world. Pythagoras, the Pythagorean theorem. Go ask Mr. Daney, what's the Pythagorean theorem? He might have already taught you. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Next, we have the beginning of democracy. Again, democracy, one person, one vote. Great. Moving forward, we have the Greek and Persian wars. These are called the Greco-Persian Wars. So please go pause this video, watch number 5, and then watch number 6. When you watch number 6, you need to handwrite one interesting fact and one comment from number 6. Okay, great. Welcome back. So the Greeks, spoiler alert, ended up winning against the Persians, and that's how democracy stayed alive. Cool. Then we have theater get huge. Amazing playwrights. Then we have the Acropolis built. We're going to unpack the Acropolis. You're going to learn all about it. Then we have Sparta versus Athens. This is the Peloponnesian Wars. So next, you need to, after reading number 7, watch number 5, go watch number 6, read number 7, and answer one question. So go read the Persian Wars on these 2 pages. It's short. Answer number 5. Great. When you are done with that, then it's time to begin the Peloponnesian Wars. Please pause this. Go watch this video. One handwritten bit of analysis and one handwritten fact. When you're done with that, please read the textbook, pages 213 to 215. It's only about a page. And then answer one question there as well. And that will bring you up to the Peloponnesian Wars, which, fascinating story. We only did half the timeline today, so we'll do the other half another time. Finish the quiz at the very bottom of this timeline, finish the